and welcome to Let's Talk with Tijuana. Listen, I want to invite each and every one of you to my open house on this coming Sunday, November 6th, from 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock p.m. You know how I do. I always want to be a blessing, so please bring any non-perishable items that you may have so that we can be a blessing to those families who are less fortunate than us. We have a great time at our open houses. It's like a HGTV experience. I'm looking for your feedback on price, condition, and the best way to sell this lovely 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo located in the Ballantyne area. There's going to be some great refreshments and just a fun time. So stop by, even if it's for 5 minutes. I want to see you. Ballantyne is an awesome area. In fact, it's one of the best places to live in the Charlotte area. It's situated on the south side of Charlotte. It's quite an affluent area offering great schools, shopping, dining, and guess what? This cute condo community is right there. The community has dynamic amenities and is situated right in the heart of that Ballantyne area. So meet me on this Sunday at 1 p.m. to tour this condo. I'll give you more details, more information about everything that the community offers. You can get a chance to meet the neighbors that come out, because trust me, they're going to come out. But just meet me there. This could actually be yours. It will be a great investment property. It can be a great primary residence. I just want you to come and check it out. See you Sunday. Be blessed.